Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. I wanted to share a resource with you that I recently ran across that is really remarkable. They say that eventually robots and artificial intelligence is going to replace most of what we do. And that may be true, so we always have to be able to adapt and use those creations for us. Okay, we have, if robots are going to replace us and AI is going to replace us, then we have to use them in what we do so that we can be effective. And I ran across this tool recently called ChatGPT, and it really is astounding. I mean, it's an artificial intelligence tool, and so it can quote unquote think things through for you and help you to produce some things. For example, let's say that you have finally hit it and you're able to resign from your job because of how effective your online business has become. And you want to write a resignation letter, but you can't quite put the words together. Well, ChatGPT will help you to do that. All you would do is just type in the box down here, write a resignation letter, letter for work, and then hit enter and see what it comes up with. I mean, when I first started using this thing, I thought, wow, this is very effective. Um, I mean, just extremely effective, very human-like. Okay, so what did it put? I am, dear whatever the person's name is, the manager. I am writing to inform you that I have decided to resign from my position as whatever your position is at the company. My last day of work will be the date. I've greatly appreciated the opportunities and experiences that I have had while working at the company name, and I'm grateful for the support and gratitude that you and my colleagues have provided me. However, I have decided to pursue other career opportunities that align more closely with my personal and professional goals. I assure you that I will do everything in my power to ensure a smooth transition for my responsibilities and will make myself available to assist in any way that I can. Thank you again for the valuable experience and knowledge that I have gained while working at the company. A very effective resignation letter. Dang, I wish I'd have had this when I resigned from my job, uh, back when, to be full time online. Very well put together. And of course, you can tweak it, but it gives you a real good basis. Okay. But how else can you use this? Let's say that you're not ready to resign from your job. How else can you use this? Well, let's say that you have a difficult time coming up with some good, catchy phrases for promotional emails. So you could ask it, um, give me some good headlines for make money online emails. Let's see what that gives me. Now, I don't know what it's going to bring out. We'll see. Unlock the secrets to making money online without proven strategy. Sounds good. Discover how to create a passive income stream and financial independence or freedom. Moving too fast has got me dizzy there. I mean, these are some good. I mean, look at these things. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Learn how here. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. I mean, you can use these for headlines. Subjects on your emails. You could use them on a squeeze page, a capture page, a landing page. I mean, this is some good stuff. Let's see if let's type in more headlines. See what it does. There you go. You can give me more. It gave me 10 the first time. I mean, this is an awesome little tool. A very awesome little tool, especially if you have a hard time coming up because you want headlines in your emails is going to catch people. You'll catch their attention. I'm sure there's other ways you can use this. I'm just discovering this little baby, so I don't know what all I can ask and what all I can do. I know you can't do real time stuff. Like I can't ask it what is the weather like in Houston where I'm at, because it doesn't do that kind of stuff. But you could do calculations. What's 10 times 10? 100. I mean, you could do, just let your mind, work with it and see what you can do. I mean, but for marketing, this is a good tool. Now, up here, I ask it to generate headlines, right? How about an email itself? Generate email for making. Let's try for affiliate marketing and see what that brings for us. Okay, with a subject, that's fast too. It'll go step by step. Wow. And again, you can always tweak it, but it gives you a good format. This is a very human-like letter that makes a lot of sense. I mean, is it going to stop? So let's go through this real quick. Dear sir, ma'am, whatever, I hope this email finds you well. My name is so-and-so, and I'm reaching out from this company. We are a leading provider of products. So this letter is kind of written to find affiliates, but anyway, we'll go on. As an affiliate, you will have the opportunity to earn money by promoting our products or services to your audience. For every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link, you will receive a commission. The process is simple. It goes through the process. Sign up, receive your link, share the link, earn a commission. All right? Our program offers competitive rates, regular promotions, discounted support, dedicated support, detailed reporting. Right? I mean, then it says, if you're interested in joining, please click the following link, and it's the affiliate link there. I mean, what better letter could it be? All right. Now, I was first going to do make money online. Let's try that one. Write letter, write email for promoting make money online programs. For promoting, we'll make it singular for make. Write email for promoting a make money online program. There's a good subject, and of course you can tweak it, use subject lines from earlier, whatever. Look at that. It's an impressive tool. So if you're running into roadblocks on headlines, this is a good tool to use. If you're running into not good, if you can't come up with good ideas for emails, you can always come here and help, at least to get you started. Let's type in one more email example. See what it does. Look at that. Another email. Very effective, guys. I'm going to play with it some more to see what else it all can do, but you can see how this could benefit you in your affiliate marketing programs or whatever you're doing online. I mean, it could work for e-commerce or whatever you're wanting to do with it. But it's a free program. It's absolutely free, no cost at all. And so take advantage of it. I think it's in beta, so it may eventually be a cost for it. But for now, it's in beta, so use it all you want. I mean, you can even generate these subject headlines and then save them. So if it eventually do go to charging for them, it's already you already have them. Okay. Hopefully this tool was helpful to you. The link for ChatGPT is below this video here. Also, I have some links to programs that I'm promoting and using to make money online, and I only put all their things that are effective and that are really working, so you may want to take a look at those also. As always, I appreciate you being here. If you got something out of this video, I would encourage you to, first of all, subscribe to my channel, and then second of all, to just click the like button, and even make a comment if you choose to. So I appreciate it, and you guys, you have a foxtastic day, and just be safe out there.